Hello, I think I messed up something. I'm trying to fix that. Okay. Okay. All right, let me just come back to you. Can we all see me? Hold on. Yeah, I'm just trying to fix something I probably messed up here. Okay, I'm still recording. Good. Okay. So can we all still see my screen? Give me audio. Can we see my screen? I did something, so I'm not sure if you can still see my screen.
No, not at all.
Not at all, right?
No.
Okay, I think I lost sharing.
Yeah.
How about now? How about now? You can see my screen, right? Okay, good.
Yes.
Awesome. All right, so yeah, I was saying something about Roboto. We're going to get that from Google Fonts. So let's move on. Download this big noodle tiling. This one. Download that. You can also download this Louis George.
Please, I'm lost. I don't know where are you? I don't know where you get all those other fonts.
All these other fonts.
Yes.
Okay. I want you to go to dafonts.com. Are you on dafonts.com?
Yes, I'm on dafonts.com.
Yeah, in case you searched before, just come back here and click this one. Click this, okay? Did you do that? Click the logo. Let's go back to this, right?
Okay.
Then the next thing I want you to do is come here to basic. See where my mouse is, right?
Okay, yes.
Go to sans serif and click that.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Got in it.
You can continue with the class, but I'm yet to see the screen.
What did you say?
Okay.
I'm yet, okay, I just see the screen did not display initially previously, so but
I can't hear
it's
you.
up now, Sha. It's up. I was unable to see the screen earlier, but it's up now. I was unable to see the screen earlier. Previously, I was unable to see the screen while you were explaining.
Okay.
The sensory being
So
okay, but now it's up. Don't worry, it's now up. It's up now.
Is it fine now?
Yes, I can see clearly. Yes, yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So yeah, you can take this one if you want. You can take this Azonix, but this is a display font. So you can use it as title. So you can take this Azonix, you can download that. Okay. And we can keep going through the list. Let's go to page 10.
Please. Hello.
Yeah.
If you're downloading, where exactly is it going on the system? Because mine is showing me to download.
Let me ask you,
TLC.
do you have IDM? Do you use IDM?
IDM? No, I don't.
Then it's going to be in your download folder. It's just going to be sitting in your download folder right there. We're going to go there though. After this, we're going to go to where it's on our system. Okay. Okay. So if you're not using IDM, it's just sitting in your download folder. So I want us to leave. Let's leave this place. Let's leave that font. Let's come to the sans serif here. Here. Sorry, we've used the sans serif. Let's come to serif. Let's get some serif font. Okay. So click on that serif. Benga, are you with us? Benga?
Yes, I am.
Good. So I want you to download this Vogue.
Yeah, I am in.
Awesome. Download the Vogues.
Which one?
Awesome. And go download as many as you want. Okay. I'm going to download this Bon Voyage. I like that. Actually, I'm going to download that. Bon Voyage. It looks good. I'm going to download this magazine. It looks good too. I think that's the font for New York Times or something. So I'm going to download that. I want to use this as a display font, as something fancy. So I'm going to download that brand. Then I'm going to go to page 2. Let's see if we can find something interesting on page 2. I like this apple, so I'm going to download that apple from page 2. Okay. I like this Mirage. I think we lost Benga. Hopefully you can rejoin us. Let me just be sure we lost him. Okay, yeah, we did. We lost Benga. Okay. Yeah, download this Assassin. It's also a display font. We're on page 2, Benga. We're on page 2 on sans serif page. See, we're on this page 2. So you can just go ahead and download some fonts from that page.
Sorry, I lost network.
You said what?
I lost network, but it's
you lost network, right?
Network, but it's back on. Yeah,
Yeah,
but it's back on now.
Okay, moving on. Let's go to this Google font, fonts.google.com. If you're on your laptop, go to fonts.google.com. Are you there? Maclean, are you there? Huh? Fonts, plural, fonts.google.com. Are we there? Okay, good. So I said we're going to download the Roboto from here, right? So there are a few fonts we want here. I can't go on and download everything. So I'm just going to mention the name of the fonts that we want from Google, right? So take a note, all right? Number 1, we're going to download Roboto from here. So take a note somewhere and keep Roboto, okay? Did you write that? Everyone give me audio, please, audio.
Yes, I've done that.
Okay, the next one is Open Sans, this one. We're going to download Open Sans. So write somewhere, Open Sans, this one here, Open Sans. We're going to download that. I already downloaded all of these. That's why I'm not going to download it. So you go ahead and download it. Then we're going to download Lato, this one. Lato. The reason we're downloading fonts from Google is because as a graphic designer, because on next week, one of those days, we're not going to be designing flyers or anything. We're going to be designing a web page, a landing page. And it's one of your jobs as a graphic designer to design landing pages. And we're going to need some of these web fonts. That's why we're here, okay? So download Lato, download Montserrat. The name is always difficult to pronounce, but that says Montserrat. Download that. Download this Source Sans Pro. Then you can download Poppins. I mentioned Oswald the last time, so download Oswald.
Hello, sir.
Download Poppins, download Oswald. Download Roboto Slab. This is an example of slab serif fonts. Download this, Roboto Slab. So I'm just going to.
I'm having difficulty.
You're having difficulty downloading it?
Yes.
Could it be your network?
It's not my network. I don't know. Maybe it's my system. It's just taking me to.
Okay, your system,
VCL.
right?
Yes, just taking me to VCL media player. I don't understand.
By the way, let me show us how to download from. Let me show us how to download from Google because it may be tricky.
I would suggest you change the browser.
Maybe
she change the browser she's using.
Hold on.
Okay, I should
change the browser she's using.
Okay, let me change my browser. Then.
Yeah,
browser.
Try that. I want to connect to my headphone so I can hear you better. So just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
I think I can hear everybody. Awesome. Okay, so Maclean, Alpha, better.
Yeah, I'm trying to change my system.
Okay, you know what? Everybody go to Google Fonts and download as many as you want. All their fonts are great. So let me just show us an example of how to download one. If you haven't tried that, let's come to Roboto here. You can go to anyone you want. Once you are here, just come here to download family. So even the fonts that have family, you can download it. And let me explain what this is. Some fonts have family, other fonts don't. When we say a font has family, it means that it has different weights. Look at this font. This font has how many weights? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 weights. That is different thicknesses. That's what we mean by weight. To download that, just come here, select download family, and it's going to pop up. You see, this is popping up for me. Probably can't say it. I've downloaded it before, so it's not going to download. I don't want to download it again. But that's the way you do that. Let me look for a font I haven't downloaded. I don't speak Chinese, so I'm not going to download that. Let's come here to this Yao Debbie. I'm sure I've not downloaded that. So we come to download, and we're going to get this. I don't think you see my IDM, so, but let's go ahead and download it, okay? So let's come to, are we done with Google Fonts? Do we all understand how to get fonts from Google Fonts now? Hello? Feedback, please. Do we understand how to get fonts from Google Fonts?
Yes, we do.
Okay, Maclean, video. Akila, I mean, audio. Akila, be audio. Akila, can you get fonts from Google Fonts now?
No, Tommy.
Okay. All right, you can always come back to watch the video again, okay? So we need to move on now. Let's come to Font Square. Are we all at Font Square? I told us to open it. Let me spell it out for us. FONTSQUIRREL. Font Square. FONTSQUIRREL. When I say I mean out. Chai. So I'm saying that is someone who I'm missing. Yeah. Oh, can you get bonus to recharge me? Hello? Sorry, I got a call, so my connection went there. So yeah, at Font Square, the same way, they have some of those fonts from Google, so we're not going to download those ones again. Let's get this rubric. You probably find it on Google, but let's just get it.
8,200.
What's that?
Okay.
Okay, you're talking about it.
Oh, sorry.
So to download it, just click on that. That's it. That's the way to download. Just click that and you will download it. That's all. So to download from Font Square, just click that. This one. Hello. Now I want you to notice something about Font Square. If it says download PDF off-site, that means it's going to take you to another site. Don't bother trying to download it. Okay? Just notice it. If it says off-site, don't bother trying to download it because it's going to take you somewhere else. But the ones that doesn't have off-site, like this one, you can easily download that. But once you see off-site, just forget because that's going to link you to another site. Let me just show us what that means. Let's say I want to download this Refik. If I select that now, let's wait for it. See, it's taking us to another site. And now these people want $50 for their fonts, and we don't have $50 to give them. So we're going back. We understand that, right? We all understand that. Okay, moving on. So download.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
So you come here and download as many fonts as you want. Awesome. You already know what kind of fonts you're looking for. You're looking for sans serif font or serif font or slab serif font, like this one here now that I just downloaded, Chunk 5. That's a slab serif font. It has the same thickness, but it still has a bit of serif to it, right? But
can I ask some questions, please?
Go ahead.
Okay. We know the difference between the sans and the sans serif. So what is the importance of the display font compared to either sans and sans serif?
Okay, what do you use display for, right?
Yeah.
Like this. This is what you use display for. This right here. Okay?
So in this case, because by looking at this, it's more like a mixture of sans serif and just sans.
And display.
If you look at the so the E is a sans serif.
Mixture of serif and script. No, the E
and script.
The E is a serif.
The E is a serif.
Because
the S is a sans serif.
No. The S is serif.
All of them are sans serif.
Everything is
serif. Yeah, all of them are serif.
Yeah, you can
Everything is serif.
Exactly. Everything is serif.
Okay, that's a display font.
This is a slab serif. Yeah, this one's a display font. The reason we call it display font is you would not want to use it to type paragraphs. Although this particular one can type paragraphs, Questa is good, okay? Let me give us an example of fonts you will not use to type paragraphs, which are display fonts. Like this one, Alex Brush. I was mentioning Alex Brush font the other day, this one. You can download it.
Excuse me.
Hello? Question? Okay, so this
is Alex Brush.
Yeah, that's a display font. You don't want to type a whole paragraph with that. So you just want to do your header or your big display with that. Okay, so let's get it. I didn't mention it the other day, so let's get it. Alex Brush.
Please excuse me.
Yeah, go ahead and ask your question. Okay,
No,
My laptop is set up, so please.
You're breaking. I can't hear you. Ask again or type it. Type it on the group. Let me read it.
So can you please
type it on the group and I'll do it. Type it on the group. Let me say it. Okay? Akilabi. Yeah, type your question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So let's just wait for him while he does that. Let's take his question. Actually, I'm checking the group for your question. I can't find it. Okay, I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna continue, Akinabi. You can ask me the question privately later, okay? Because I can't see your question. Okay, so let's move on to myfonts.com. And I think we can actually follow now. Okay, yeah, the site is Font Curious. You know, let me type the site for you. Let me put the site on the group. Yeah, I can identify the site, fontcurio.com. And the next font is myfonts.com. I think next week we're going to try to use Google Meet. Because now this one's trying to log me out again and I'm pissed off.
But Google Meet does not have recording.
That's the problem, and I need the recording so we can always come back to it on YouTube. I don't think
Google
so. I don't think it records.
Yes, I have a suggestion.
Okay, go ahead. What's your suggestion?
I have a suggestion to that.
Yeah. What's your suggestion? Because
you can simply make use of OBS, a screen recorder. You can make use of a screen recorder to record that project.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe
then afterwards you will upload it to your YouTube.
Yeah, I'm just going to.
That's what you should do. That's more better.
Yeah, I'm going to use my this thing. I'm going to use my Camtasia Studio to record that. And then next class, I'm going
Why
to.
not use OBS? OBS is smooth.
It's lighter, right? Is it lighter? Is OBS
it's smooth, as in the sound, the control, everything is smooth.
Oh, okay. I'm going to try that. So we have two options. Either I use Camtasia or use OBS, or we could just do a live session on YouTube. I think I can share my screen too if I do a live session on YouTube. So that's fine. Okay. So I've dropped the site there. So I think we can figure out the rest of this ourselves now. Let's move on away from fonts. Now, I said we're going to need a few things, and you know, this is going to log me out. So let me just log out and create a new link quickly. So I'm going to be back in exactly 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right.